Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to put pictures on the side of a Word document. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Word document. Then we go to the Insert menu and click Picture option. Then we choose a picture on our file. Then click Insert. Now we can see here we put a picture on the side of a Word document very easily. Then we resize the picture on the side or whole page. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.